Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We know that this is about the ask. So in here we don't have ask. So the answer for this one is about ask multiplied with sine of b and y to the power of 3 in here. So we have the number 0 and y square. So we will put y square in ask and 0 in ask. So you just got only the integral from 0 to 2. That's the about y square multiplied with sine of b multiplied with y to the power of 3 dy. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to y to the power of 3. So we do first the derivative in the both sides, and you got about the u equal to 3y square dy. Because we don't have the number 3 in here, so we divide both sides with number 3. Later that we change number 0, 0 and number 2. If y equal to 0, so we got about u equal to 0. If y equal to number 2, so u should be about number 8, because we put number 2 in here. 2 to the power of 3, you got about 8. We change number 2 into number 8. This one we change for u. Y square dy, we change for du over 3. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of sine of b multiplied with u, you will get about negative 1 over 3 multiplied with b in here. And we have cosine b with u. And now we have the number in here. That's about number 8 and number 0. And you got about number 0, because this is number 1, this is number 1, 1 minus 1, you got about 0. So everything in here go to zeros. That's the end. Thank you for watching.